kukholelwa ukuba umqhubi webhasi uphulukene nolawulo ze ibhasi yaphuma kuhola wendlela u-N3 yaya kuntlitheka kwityholo elikufutshane iye kulala ngecala sele ingenawo nomphezulu. Inkampani yebhasi zemigama emide yakwa-Eldos eyivakalise kuxwebhu lwamajelo eendaba ukuba le bhasi igqabhukelwe livili langaphambili.
An update from this afternoon's tragic bus crash on the N3 near Escort is that tragically 9 people have sustained fatal injuries in this crash. Paramedics from KZN Emergency Medical Services, together with their colleagues from several private ambulance services, have treated 60 patients at the scene. These patients have sustained injuries ranging from critical to minor and have all since been transported to hospital for continued medical care. The exact cause of the crash is not known and is being investigated by the police.
Amapolisa asaqhuba uphando ngetyala lokubulala ngaphandle kwenjongo.